Hello viewers, finally I have bought Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G Snapdragon 888 version. This is 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This device costs around 32,000 rupees in Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. The exynos version of S21 FE was launched 2 years back. Now they have come up with this offering with Snapdragon 888 processor. On opening the lid of the box, you can find the smartphone, that is S21 FE. Let me keep it aside for a moment. Then there is a box in which you will get the documentation and the charging cable, and on the top you can get the SIM ejection tool. So this is the documentation and also type C to type C cable. So these are the box contents. You will not get any kind of charger inside this box. You have to buy it separately. Now let me peel off the plastics of S21 FE 5G. This is olive color. S21 FE 5G comes with 6.4 inches display, so it is a compact device. In-hand feel of this device is very good. On the front you will get Corning Gorilla Glass big touch. On the back there is plastics. Let me peel off the stickers. This phone is made of plastic, but this is a high quality plastic and it is a matte finish, so you will not get any kind of scratches or dust smudges on the surface of the back. At the bottom there is type C port, SIM ejection. On the top secondary mic. The sides are made of aluminum and the back feels very good. In-hand feel of this device is excellent. Though it is of plastic build, the build quality is excellent on this device. The Corning Gorilla Glass Victus will give you a good protection. So let us boot the device and see what else is there inside this S21 FE 5G. On first boot up, the one thing that I can tell that the screen of S21 FE is outstanding. It is a 2K AMOLED display. Display brightness and Samsung's color algorithm is top-notch. After initial setup, I have already transferred the data from my old Android phone to this new Android phone through a data cable. You can also transfer this data using Smart Switch app, and this will give you seamless data transfer if you use cables. But if you data transfer with Wi-Fi, it will take a lot of time. So I suggest you to transfer your data by using a type C to type C cable that is already included in the box of S21 FE. There are three major highlighting factors of S21 FE. The first is the screen. The display is gorgeous. It is a 120Hz display, and at the back there is flagship level cameras. The display feels very fluid. App switching is also very good, and the display is 2K, so you can enjoy HDR content on this device. Watching HDR videos on this device is absolutely a treat to the eyes. You will thoroughly enjoy multimedia content on this device. After initial boot up, I have seen that already there is an update in this, and you can get the security update level of August 2023. The update size is above 1 GB. I will update it later and give you an idea what are the changes that I have noticed after updating the latest version. I have not yet tested the cameras of S21 FE. I will give you a detailed camera review of this smartphone and also give the detailed review of Snapdragon 888 processor. So stay tuned in this video, and if you have any questions regarding S21 FE Snapdragon 888 version, do let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video.